Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho, yazi ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, how can South Africa be in debt kodwa we generate our own money? Size siyayibiza nge-South African rand, so how can we be in debt as izwe if we generate our own money? Ngeke sikwazi ukugaya more money and then isiqede sibakhokhele? It's a very complicated question, kodwa ngizokuphendula. Asiqale. Most yabantu itshena ukuthi the government just prints more money whenever the people need money. Kodwa the answer is more complicated than you think. Understand ukuthi the South African Reserve Bank is not a fully state-owned institution. It's not fully South African. It is half independent central bank, partially owned by private stakeholders. Understand ukuthi as of 2023, more than 700 private stakeholders own a share in the South African Reserve Bank, including foreign investors. Yes, abantu bale emazweni, they own imali yakho. Whether we love them, whether we hate them, South African Reserve Bank controls our money, and South African Reserve Bank iphethwe isitha. Okuwesinakho konke, they are foreign investors, abantu who are not South African, who have a stake, who have a share in this South African company that controls imali, that regulates imali for mina nawe. Every time money is created, it is not free. Understand, I am Tomnyama ukuthi the government doesn't just print imali and hand it out to abantu bethi mi imali. Instead, it borrows money by issuing bond. And lama bond they issue out local and international investors. Abantu abafana njenge China, abantu abafana njenge World Bank, ne IMF, they buy those bonds from the South African government. Kodwa that's another video for another day. Kuzo understand ukuthi ngisho nawe you can buy bond from the South African government. Adlule. Understand ukuthi those investors then earn interest on the money that they have loaned us as South Africans. That's how money ends up rotating in South Africa. Kuningi okwenzekalayo emalini before ithinta isandla sakho, and isitha understands ukuthi wena as umntomnyama you don't know nothing about imali, and so as South Africans, as a country, we end up in debt, sikweleta imali enkulu just because of that lack of knowledge. And isitha knows ukuthi ngeke sibuze mbuzo. Why? Because banginika u350. Why? Because banginika salary, and in the end you don't gain financial freedom because